How do you see the digital agency landscape is changing with AI and automation coming at utmost focus?
We actually see more and more agencies that are really positioning themselves as AI first agencies. We know about several agencies that are now knocking on the door of big clients and big companies to propose AI specialized services. Is AI going to steal our job? Is AI going to replace all the type of talents we need in an agency? I'm not able to see in the future, so I don't know what's going to happen in 5 years or 10 years from now. What I can say is what is happening today. For me, I see AI more as a sort of assistant to the work of existing talents. You know, I work very closely with account managers, with media buyers, with content creators, with people working in intelligence, research, media planning, brand planning. And I can see all of them are leveraging AI and not using it because they have to, but because it really helped them to accelerate the work they do, to enrich the work they do. And so more and more it becomes a sort of co-pilot or an assistance or a co-creation type of tool. It's not to go to clients and tell them we're going to change everything with AI. No, let's work together to understand what are your current challenge, issues, opportunities, and let's see if and how AI can potentially provide a suitable solution. And I think that's a very fascinating new space for agencies.